right, so we're back. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. My second week out the hospital, been back to work. It wasn't going so good. So, just give you a breakdown. When you get these kidney issues, a big symptoms are your feet swell. Your feet swell really bad, and your legs get a little swollen. And sometimes, if you're on your feet for long periods of time, it's hard to stand. It's hard to walk. It's a struggle. And I'm a bartender. I haven't been training. I can't perform any movements like that. So it's like hard for me to demonstrate me and a trainer. And it's difficult bartender right now. Like I said, I'm on my feet. And after like 2 hours, 3 hours, I'm done. But I'm fighting through this shit. I've been going to my dialysis and which I have some clips I'll be showing you what that's like. What's crazy is I walk into these dialysis center and I'm I'm the youngest by far in there. Half the people that come in there are in wheelchairs. Some people come in there in stretchers, like straight from the hospital. Just want to let y'all know this is not the way. I know it's pretty rare for me to be going through this, but I am, so it doesn't matter. There's a lot of people that really on a daily basis go through this. So I want to continue to push away to try to prevent this from happening. Like I said, most people with kidney issues have diabetes or high blood pressure. That's all coming from what you eat, how you treat your body, basically. We need to start treating our body differently. Early prevention as far as like getting my blood work tested. I was already on a strict diet, but now my diet is like I'm going like damn near plant based. I'm not 100%, but I've been working on it. I added some tofu to my diet. I'm eating a lot of veggies and fruits. Like I wake up eating fruits, eating strawberries. That's how I start my day. Strawberries and some blueberries. Like I have been feeling a lot better. I'm definitely gonna get better. Everything is gonna. I feel like I'm gonna get back to the old Chris. Right now I'm fat face Chris. I have hopes. I'm gonna get back, and that's just that. And you guys are gonna see it. You guys are watching this. I want to be a living testimony. Yeah. So eating a lot of fruits, a lot of vegetables. I've been cooking like crazy. When I say I've been cooking like crazy, I gotta prepare my own meals. So, and I actually like cooking. It's therapeutic to me. So I be in the kitchen. I done made all type of what we put in our body is a big deal, and I don't think we understand it. The first 2 weeks it was horrible mentally. Like I said, it was horrible mentally because I feel like my life changed overnight. I never forget. I got a phone call at work said go to the ER right now. I never forget that, and I was like, what you mean go to the ER right now? Like Chris, are you feeling okay? I'm like, yeah, I'm feeling okay. My doctor was like, okay, you need to go to the ER because I got your blood work back. It's off the charts. Yo, creatinine levels is at a 9. It's supposed to be at a 1. Ever since that day, my whole life changed like that. And like I said, that experience was horrible. Like I said, me bringing awareness to things that we overlook, like mentally staying focused, knowing how to cope with what's going on, making sure you're incorporating the right diet, and knowing one day you're going to look back and say, I'm glad I did this. I'm glad I took these steps because I'm back to where I wanted to be. you know, every day that I'm here, I gotta understand I'm grateful as hell, regardless on what's going on. I'm still here, because I'm not promised. Even with the condition, I'm still not promised. So, you know, my time's gonna come regardless. This is the cards I was dealt, so I gotta make use of them. I got so much shit that's just telling me, giving me signs like you gotta keep going. So I gotta apply pressure. We become what we think about. Keep learning. The 7 rules of life. So much shit around me that's telling me like this is just like a reminder. Like it's like whatever's going on, So what? Let's get it. So what? So what this happened? What you gonna do now? That's what I was like, okay, so what we gonna do now? No, we can't do that. Gotta apply pressure. I'm gonna continue to update y'all and document my journey. This is a journey back to the old Chris. I miss him, but yeah, I still love me for who I am. You know, like I said, it is. I'm here. And I'm making do. All right, y'all. Peace. I love y'all.